I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel.
I remember what heck I remember.
Guys, today we're over at Eric's, our buddy that's building an S21 up in Mansfield. So he's about 30 minutes away from us. We came over to help him do a little work on his plane today. And man, he's been invaluable with tools and things to help us out. So we wanted to give you a little shot of what we're doing today with Eric. All right, you want to do,
Yeah,
do these?
last couple there. There's only two more.
Okay. I put one right here, and you can do it later. But I measured the distance between here, and I drew a straight line. And I put one here, and then on the other side you got to put a washer.
Yeah.
For it to hold. But I just didn't like the way it looked.
That's what you were talking about. Okay.
Guys, right here, there's a spot, and it kind of bows out. So what I did is I measured the distance between these two, halved it, and I drew a line to make it straight, and I drilled a hole here. So that's what I was telling Eric about. And you'll have to put a washer on the other side.
These are brass washers?
Yeah, just one of the little 1/8. They're smaller. Or you can actually take a piece of this, a scrap piece, and you can cut it. That's what I did. Cut it, drill a hole in it, and stick it on the inside. So you can use a scrap piece of your metal, but you gotta have something on the back side. Okay, ready for this side? The other side?
Yeah. Trade places with you. I only do 3 on that side because I didn't put the panel on. I'll let the panel on. It's okay, I'll just do these 3.
Okay, you want to put the panel on?
No, don't worry about it. I'll get that later.
One second. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Good enough. You can do the rest. I'm trying to explain that to Terrence.
Give me 2 more. Take those.
Yes.
Do you need these again?
I don't think so.
I want to borrow these.
Okay.
Cool. The next set of wings, or the next wing I do. Over here with that.
Yeah, put that in your pile. Give you a bag.
Have you built all your flaps and all your?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's all done.
Yeah, it got left out of my kit. I told you. So.
Well, they told me that. You're reading a book and it says that you're supposed to paint before you put your landing gear on. Well, I put my landing gear on, and then, of course, I read that you need to paint it first, so I took it all off. So.
Well, we were just when we paint it, we were just gonna, I don't know, paint that part and then put the gear back on.
Yeah.
So, are you talking about painting the gear first or painting the belly first?
Oh, I painted the gear already.
Oh, okay.
I have to scratch. Fix that, but I have to paint the belly first before.
All right.
We get another drill bit. This one's too long. We need to get underneath it. So. By the way, I ordered you some stocks for your drill bits.
Oh man, let me know what I owe you.
Oh, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. And I ain't worried about it. I'll just give it to you because I got plenty.
We need to take.
Take that one out and a couple of these. I'm sure we have to take these out too, don't we?
Yeah, they're gonna be it.
So you want to take all these out up here?
Yeah, take all these out, just leave these we'll take these pieces out. If you want to mark them.
Do you have another pair of Tico pliers here? Yeah, you can just slide them back here, that's fine. Just being.
Yeah. Where did you get those people from?
I got them from Aircraft Tool Supply. Either that or the yard store. It's Aircraft Tool Supply. Now these, I had to put super glue down the inside the handles.
This bottom one always wants to come off.
Yeah. Exactly. You want some,
Did that go below? Did that wrap around that part, Chad?
it's going to be covered up anyway, so.
Did what, Dad?
Did this wrap around that bottom part? I don't remember.
Did what wrap around?
This part wrap around this. That part on there. What I'm thinking is the aerodynamic.
I think
What I'm saying is
I don't remember.
I thought this one went underneath this one.
You want to look at the instructions there? Make sure before.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, close up here.
I think we do have that wrapped under that.
Well, I'm just,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
yeah.
Wrapped it, okay, like that. Let's see.
When you think about wind, think about water also. Nothing's going to get through that. This is going to, any water that goes down is going to go here. You want it to go.
So Eric's actually building a tail dragger. So you can see he's got the tail wheel on already. And he's putting a Yamaha Apex engine in. So there's his engine mount there.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got the floor in on Eric's plane. We got the visor in for the dash, and then we got these rivets done on the side. It's a two-person job to do these, especially these. You could. It helps to have two people on that because you've got to go through this, and the piece under here, and you have to get it all lined up. What I did is I moved this out of the way. I drilled this, and then I drilled the bottom of this to get it lined up on this one and that one over there, and then it's lined up for you.
Yeah, fix mine.
Measured this 2 inches out on both sides.
Oh, yeah. I'm telling now.
Made sure these tabs weren't sticking out.
Yeah, but mine, you know how yours had a piece of plexiglass all the way around here?
Yeah.
Right.
Mine's got a thin piece of aluminum.
Well, I said, I don't know why they cut that plexiglass out. They just let the
Right.
piece.
So that's what it was. That piece doesn't go on the outside. It went on the inside. Okay, makes sense.
You guys were completely correct.
Well, I found the illustration in the book finally and it showed that's the way it's supposed to go in.
Well, it's like we didn't put the foam in, Eric, and you told us about the foam. There needs to be foam that goes here before your top floorboard goes on, and that cuts down the rattling.
You put carpet on your floorboard, or
Well, we thought about that and it really wants to heal.